This is the purple Firestreak with an A83 engine test on June 26th or 25th, whatever the date is, 2017. Let's hope it goes well.
What a catch! Okay, we'll next be launching the bailout with a C65 engine. Insert that in the bottom. Put the tail fins on. Securing the igniters inside, placing in a small plastic plug. Got it packed inside with the parachute and the nose cone that comes off. Do have very strong winds today, 15 miles an hour, so this could be the last time seeing this one. But after about 18 years, 16 of them sitting around, that's okay. Very important to check the wind, watch who's around you. Approach will be launching into the wind with the hope to drift back starting rotation. We'll be placing the safety key in the slot. Light comes on saying we're armed. We begin countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Successfully traversed the entire field.
Yeah, if it would have gone about 3 more feet, it would have been over the hedge. Huh?
Oh no, we had plenty of room to spare. 2 feet.
This is take 2 of Firestreak, purple Fire Tiger color with a B engine. Angle of attack is more vertical this time, so it won't go quite as far, and hopefully it'll drift back towards us a little bit closer. So hopefully this one will be a successful launch as well. The engine I'm using is about 2 years old, so if it explodes, we know why.
This is the Goldeneye rocket, which is the 3rd one in the homemade edition. Thanks to help from Bob Stuckmeyer, I was able to get this one built. We're just over 2 feet long, about 2.5. Got balsa wood, hand-carved nose cone, parachute inside of there. It's actually made from a wrapping paper tube. They don't make the wrapping paper tubes like they used to, so don't go just grab any old one from the dollar store these days. It may not work out quite the same. This is a straw alignment device, balsa wood fins. Still really windy today, but we're going to put in the C65, make a little adjustment from our earlier launch. This one has a spring retaining clip to keep the engine in place. Place the igniters inside and secure it with the purple plastic piece. See what happens. Got the launch controller. Insert the safety key, check the conditions, and begin countdown. You're armed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast! We've got some work to do on this one.
Oh. Blew apart. Yeah. I think it's crash time.
Who's got the next birthday? Need a wrapping paper tube. Well, how was launch day?
Pretty good. I was 2 for 2. All successful launches.
I didn't launch anything. I was just here for moral support.
We had some challenging conditions, but we weathered that adversity and had 4 launches. Probably been 3 years since we've launched a couple, and a lot of these have been made 18, 20 years ago. So we still got it. Maybe NASA's recruiting and looking for any future pilots. You've got options. How was the guest experience?
It was just wonderful, except for I was waiting for a big bang at the end of it, confusing these rockets with their fireworks, but it was awesome.
Until next time.